Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. Today, I'll show you how to install Ubuntu 24.04.2 LTS on VMware in just a minute. Let's get started. First, make sure you have VMware installed and the Ubuntu 24.04.2 ISO downloaded. You'll need at least 4 GB of RAM and 20 GB of disk space. Open VMware and click Create a new virtual machine. Choose Typical. Then select Installer Disk Image File and browse for your Ubuntu ISO. Click Next. Select Linux and Ubuntu 64-bit. Name your VM and allocate at least 2 CPUs and 4 GB of RAM. For the disk, set it to 20 GB and choose Store as a single file. Click Finish. Now start your VM. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Ubuntu. Select your language, keyboard layout, and installation type. Click Install Now, and let it do its thing. And that's it. You've successfully installed Ubuntu 24.04.2 LTS on VMware. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.